Hello, Westies. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at books. This is one of the tools we're going to use all year to share readings and information with you. Basically, a book is a book. It's going to include readings, video clips, quizzes, photo galleries, and so on. And it's going to collect it like a digital textbook. So basically, like any other day, you're going to come to class and on the board you'll see what you need to download. So as always, you'll go to the weekly agenda and you'll click on the correct day's learning and activities link, which has everything you need. In this case, we're looking at Friday, so it's a US syllabus bingo. I'm going to scroll down and I know that anything red is hyperlinked, so I can download it. In this case, I'm supposed to download the guide to US history. I see it right there, so I'm going to click on that link. When I do that, it's going to bring me to a download page. I'm going to click on the blue hyperlinked Download Guide to US History EPUB. I'm going to click Download, and you're going to see at the top that a new circle with an arrow has appeared. This is a download button. When it's done, I'm going to be able to see my book there, and I click on it once, and it's going to open it in the appropriate app, which is the Guide to US History, and I'm actually ready to use it. So one of the things you're going to notice about books themselves is that if I click on it, I'm going to get thumbnails at the bottom so that I can move between unit and unit, which is kind of nice. There's also a chapter approach by clicking on the dots up there, but I'm going to go back to resume because I prefer this view. I can scroll with my finger as I would like to. Now, as I'm reading, one of the reasons why we like iBooks is it gives you a built-in lookup device. So if I click on a word and highlight it, and notice that you can move the blue to make it bigger, it's going to give me options. I can copy the word. I can have the word read to me for pronunciation. This is also a nice trick. You can highlight a larger section and have the worksheet read to you. You will need to watch another video that explains this.
Thematically.
Okay, I can also choose to look up the word. And when I do that, it's going to give me suggested sites, including a definition, and it's going to include searching the web, which is kind of nice right then and there. And I can also search separately if I want to. Basically, it does the same thing as lookup. Okay, another thing that's kind of nice with iBooks is sometimes you'll have a photo gallery in, and you simply just need to use your finger to scroll through it, and you can tell because there's little dots below it. Okay, now that you've looked at an iBook in general and some of the nice features, we're going to talk about organization because having a long list can be a little overwhelming. So what you can do is add to your collections. In this case, I'm going to add a new collection, and this is the introduction week, so I'm going to put Introduction to US History. But for each unit, I might make one of these so it's easy to find. Once I've typed that in, I can hit done and I'm ready to add. I go back to my book, I click on the three dots, and I can copy the book, I can share the book with a friend who maybe can't find it or whatever. I can rename the book. In this case, I want to add to collection, which will move it. I'm going to pick the appropriate one, which is the introduction, and it's added. So now when I go to collections in the introduction, I can find the Guide to US History. If I don't want the book anymore, I can click on the three dots. I can remove it. I can remove the download or delete everywhere, and it's done. Don't forget to wait until grades are final for a unit before you do that so you have access to your needed resources.